Okay, ito na agad guys. This is now the second, another way of how you are going to make a surge bed. So by using banana leaves, then so look at this one. This is a Diwata group. So this is our professor, our trainer, Sarja. Look what they are doing. This is banana leaf. They make it upon. Those are the mix. Ano yung mix ninyo ngayon? Anong mix ninyo ngayon, Bon?
Topsoil.
Topsoil,
CRH,
vermicast.
Okay, topsoil CRH. Tatlo no? Okay, so this one. Vlog. Nice one.
Metaverse ka rin pala, Dapat ng ano po.
Okay.
Nag-start ka na ganyan, kailangan puro day ka rin mag-upload.
So this one. This is our trainer, sir. Serve you.
Tapos may store.
Pero kailangan, para kumita ka dyan, kailangan
Ayun o,
mag-advertise.
67.
May ano na, may
May
ads.
mga ads na, may ads ka na, kita ka lang dito.
Ayan na.
Kasi the more na